Hello children, let us understand the formation of methane and carbon tetrachloride. In the previous video I told you all about the formation of oxygen molecule and a nitrogen molecule. In this video we will discuss about formation of methane and carbon tetrachloride. Let us understand first how methane molecule is formed. If we talk about methane molecule, it is consist of carbon and hydrogen. Atomic number of carbon is 6 while hydrogen is 1. Electronic configuration of carbon is 2,4 while hydrogen is 1 in the cation. So from the electronic configuration of carbon, it is clear that to achieve the stable electronic configuration of nearest noble gas, carbon need 4 more electron. Here I have represented plus 4 electron is required for the carbon so that it can achieve the electronic configuration of nearest noble gas neon. This electronic configuration is the electronic configuration of neon. While if we talk about hydrogen atom, its electronic configuration is 1 electron in the cation. So to become stable, it needs 1 more electron. That's why I represented here plus 1 electron. After 1 more electron, its electronic configuration will become 2 electron in the cation, which is equivalent to the electronic configuration of nearest noble gas helium. In this way, they both will be stable. Okay, so what happens in case of methane molecule? How methane molecule is formed and how after the formation of methane molecule, carbon and hydrogen becomes stable. Okay, see, if we talk about methane molecule, it is consist of 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atom. Okay, see, from the electronic configuration I have already discussed with you all that it needs 4 electron. Okay, it needs 4 electron and 1 hydrogen atom needs 1 electron. We have 4 hydrogen atom. 4 hydrogen atom will require 4 electron. In this way, 4 hydrogen atom will share its 1 electron with carbon atom. Okay, and similarly carbon atom will also share its 4 electron with 4 hydrogen atom. In this way, a mutual sharing will take place in between the carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atom. Right now, let's see how mutual sharing takes place. With the help of orbit diagram, I will try to make you understand. I am directly representing the outermost shell of carbon. Carbon nucleus. Outermost shell here. How many electron in the outermost shell? 1 electron, 2 electron, 3 electron and 4 electron. Here 4 electron in the outermost shell. While if we talk about hydrogen, we have 4 hydrogen in the methane molecule. H, H, H and H. Each hydrogen atom is having 1 electron. Okay. Now 4 electron of carbon will undergo mutual sharing of electron with each hydrogen atom. Okay, 4 electron of carbon will undergo mutual sharing with 4 hydrogen atom. Each hydrogen atom is having 1 electron. So here mutual sharing will takes place. Okay, after mutual sharing, we have now 4 shared pair of electron. 4 shared pair of electron. Okay, here I am representing. We have now carbon, it is not possible to represent here. I have to erase this diagram. Okay, after mutual sharing now, carbon, outermost shell, hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. Okay, 2 electron, 2 electron, 2 electron and here also 2 electron. Okay, now we have 4 shared pair of electron, hydrogen atom, hydrogen atom, hydrogen atom and hydrogen atom. These 4 shared pair of electron will lead towards the formation of 4 single covalent bond in between carbon and hydrogen. Resultant, we will have C single bond H, single bond H and single bond H. Okay, and this finally result in the formation of methane molecule. See, now in this way, it seems like that hydrogen atom is having how many electron? 2 electron, means equivalent to helium. This hydrogen also seems like that having how many electron? 2, means electronic configuration is equivalent to helium. Similarly, if we talk about carbon, okay, how many electron in the carbon's outermost shell now? 2, 2, 2, 2, means total 8 electron. So here now carbon achieves the electronic configuration of neon, while helium achieves the electronic configuration of hydrogen achieves the electronic configuration of helium. In this way they both become stable, right? So finally I hope you people understood how methane molecule is formed. Okay, now let's see how carbon tetrachloride molecule is formed. Okay, the formation of carbon tetrachloride is the same as we discussed about methane. Okay, carbon tetrachloride is consist of carbon atom and 4 chlorine atom. How many chlorine atom? 4. Atomic number of chlorine is 17, carbon 6. Electronic configuration is 2, 4 and electronic configuration is 2, 8, 7. From the electronic configuration of carbon, it is clear that to become stable, carbon need 4 more electrons. While to become stable, chlorine need 1 more electron. Means as 1 more electron will come in the account of outermost shell of chlorine, its electronic configuration will become 2, 8, 8, which is equivalent to argon, and in this way chlorine will become stable. While if we talk about carbon atom, when 4 more electron will come in the outermost shell of carbon atom, it will have electronic configuration 2, 8, which is equivalent to the electronic configuration of nearest noble gas neon. In this way they both will become stable. So what happens in the case of carbon tetrachloride? How they become stable? With the help of the formation of carbon tetrachloride. Okay, see, we have 4 chlorine atom and 1 carbon atom. 1 chlorine atom requires 1 electron to become stable. So 4 chlorine atom will require 4 electron to become stable. And 4 electron is also required by the carbon atom so that it can become stable. In this way, outermost shell's electron of carbon, I mean 4 electron of carbon, will undergo mutual sharing with the 4 electron of chlorine. Okay, this 4 electron will come from each chlorine atom. We have 4 chlorine atom, so we have 4 electron of the chlorine atom which will undergo mutual sharing with carbon. Right now, how mutual sharing will take place, let us understand with the help of orbit diagram. Okay, carbon, outermost shell directly I am representing here 1 electron, 2, 3 and 4. Right, now come at chlorine. Chlorine, directly outermost shell I am representing chlorine nucleus and outermost shell, right? Nucleus, this side should be little bit small as compared to chlorine, right? Okay, here we have total 7 electron in the outermost shell. 2, 4, 6 and 7. Similarly here in another chlorine atom as well as we have 7 electron, right? Here also in the chlorine atom we have 7 electron, 2, 4, 7. Similarly here as well 1 and 7. Carbon have 1, 2, 3, 4 electron in the outermost shell. Now see, this unpaired electron of chlorine, each chlorine is having here unpaired electron. Okay, this unpaired electron of chlorine will undergo mutual sharing with 1 electron of carbon. So here 4 chlorine atoms will undergo mutual sharing with 4 electron of carbon, right? After mutual sharing, we have now 4 shared pair of electron. Okay, let's see how overlapping takes place. Carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Mutual sharing took place here. No need to represent this. Okay. Wow. Here we have now chlorine, 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 chlorine. Right? Cl, 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 Cl. In the previous diagram, I shown you all how mutual sharing took place. After mutual sharing, now electron we have in the form of shared pair of electron. Shared pair of electron. Okay. We have total now 4 shared pair of electron. One shared pair of electron will lead toward the formation of one single bond in between the carbon and the chlorine. So 4 shared paired electron will form 4 covalent bond in between carbon and chlorine. In this way, Cl, Cl, Cl and Cl. Finally, carbon tetrachloride molecule will form. Okay, see. Now we have total how many electron in the valence shell of each atom? Let's see. 6, 2, 2 here. After mutual sharing, after overlapping, it seems like that now this chlorine is having how many electron? See, 2 electron, 4, 6, 8 stable. Carbon seems like that how many electron? 2, 2, 2, 2. 2 4 8 electron stable. Similarly, this chlorine 1, 2, 3 and this 2, we have total 4 pair of electron. 2 4 8 stable. Here also stable. Similarly, all the chlorine atom become stable after mutual sharing of electron with carbon atom. Right? I hope you people understood how carbon tetrachloride molecule is formed by the mutual sharing of electron. Right? In this way, covalent molecule is formed. Right? That's all for today. In the next video, we will discuss about the formation of ammonia and water molecule. Thank you.